Hey everyone, let us check out the CRKT Linchpin EDC folding pocket knife today. This heavy-duty, everyday carry tool features a black blade with Veff serrations. It is designed by Flavio Ikoma in President Prudente, Brazil. The innovative Deadbolt lock provides incredible strength and easy operation. An IKBS ball bearing pivot deploys the blade fast and smooth. A glass-reinforced nylon handle keeps the knife durable and lightweight. A limited lifetime warranty covers any defects in materials or workmanship. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.